Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are discussing the topic that is universe age, that is minimum 1 lakh. And in this, basically, we are discussing about the topic that is 90,000 year, basically, is the Earth planet age, basically. Earth planet people's age, basically. So, in this, basically, the Ayodhya group basically told that basically they can give 7 days, basically. And in this, basically, the Earth planet target basically is this. This we can you can say Earth planet Earth planet target equal to 90,000 year plus 1 month. So in this basically to do the target positive task and negative task. In positive task city creation, in negative task that 100 plane crash basically. And in this basically we have discussed that basically all death in the earth planet basically are connected with set of words basically. For example, your leg is your leg basically is getting pain. That means set of word combination basically you have had basically, and that basically pain immediately basically doesn't happen basically. Why? Because lots of process basically might have happened. After that only basically the word basically is connected to here that particular body pain basically. So in this one person told that basically 900 crore population of the Earth planet might get end in just within 1 millisecond basically. That also less than millisecond basically you can say. This comes to like this basically. For example, your eye basically is like this, and your eye just close and just after opening basically the eye within that second basically the 900 crore population will get end. That type of satellite basically are there basically. Just see basically the eye close open just within this time basically. So up to that time basically these groups are basically ready, because they might be knowing basically which kind of people basically are staying in the earth planet. That's why they might be ready up to this level also basically. They might be ready up to this level also. So one of the person told that basically um which kind of people basically in India staying basically. Then one of the person told that do one thing that ask Sunil Nair basically. They will tell you. He will tell you actually which kind of population basically are in India basically. Then one of the person told that which kind of population basically are in USA basically. Then one of the person of USA, who might be that person basically, any person basically, ask that particular person which kind of population basically are in USA. So like this basically each and every country basically population basically. So like this one of the person told that all disease medicine basically in earth planet are basically what, set of words combination basically, right? Then he told that yes basically set of words combination that connects to medicine basically, that connects to medicine basically, and this basically connects to set of words basically. So one of the person told that basically, one of the person told that basically, one of the person told that basically uh, what are the words combination which the Oxford University basically have, because Oxford University basically are there, they are basically in front of the world basically. So they have basically got the set of words basically, right? Then another person told that yes basically. So this university basically has got the set of words basically, and on the base of words basically that university group basically are, that university group basically are Oxford University basically. This group basically have dictionary, and these groups are basically connected, right? Basically. So one of the person told that yes basically. So I will do one thing basically. One of the person told that, yeah, basically you had told that basically this many people, this many girls basically rejected you. So do one thing. Send basically invitation in front of us. Basically, you want to see basically really basically your talent, right? Or basically you are just doing some. So one of the person told that basically okay basically. So he told that basically okay. So I will send few data basically. Sorry, few invitation basically. Just see basically. See basically one girl basically I have sending. See basically. So send. So one more few basically data. That girl basically was from Pune. Say time basically. Say. One girl basically from USA also. That also we will send. One girl basically I will send off. Mother tongue basically that would be first time I will send to Malayalam also because I am Malayali, so I will send to few Malayalis. One Trivandrum. One girl, another girl, and three Malayali girls. So here again back to the topic basically. That is Oxford University basically, which is telling that basically we have the set of words for each and every countries. So in next video basically we are going to see a little more about this.